Good afternoon, students. I am Pankaj Kumar Gupta from ABS Engineering College. Today, I will be discussing about the second type of switchgear. Last class, that is in the first lecture, I discussed about switch fuse unit. There we have discussed the uses of fuses and how the switch fuse unit works. Today, but before that, let's discuss what is the again necessity of switchgear. So this is very important. That is again to control and protect and isolate an electrical equipment from any electrical faults. Provide safety, reliability, efficiency, and cost effectiveness to the machine. Now, what's an MCB? MCB is a miniature circuit breaker. Its full form is miniature circuit breaker. We have seen all it in our household. In our houses, it has been installed at the main supply. It consists of a bimetal strip and a plunger. Basically, our MCB works on two principles. One is the overcurrent and the other is the short circuit conditions. Overcurrent is a time prolonged fault. Means if I take an example of, let me say, a 10 ampere MCB. An MCB is rated of 10 ampere. Now, if I am saying if it is current of 12 amperes is flowing instantly at once, the breaker will not trip. The breaker will not trip. Instead, if that 12 amperes is prolonged, yes, in the circuit, you are passing through the breaker for a very long period of time. Then the breaker will act, or you can say it will trip. So there's a difference between overcurrent and short circuit. Now, short circuit is an instant fault. In this case, the current reaches a very high value instantly, due to which the breaker will trip immediately. So we should not be confusing between overcurrent and short circuit conditions. Now it is being widely used for low and medium voltages. We have seen it in many instances at many places. The MCB has been installed. Maybe a single phase, maybe three phase, but an MCB only works under overcurrent principle and short circuit condition. The current ratings of an MCB, it usually ranges from 5 to 100 amperes. So it's it's used for only very low capacities. Is used for only low capacity. Now here there is a schematic diagram for MCB and sample view or schematic of MCB. Now MCB, as earlier stated, it works under overcurrent principle and short circuit conditions. In case of overcurrent, here it's clearly seen a function known as bimetal element. And there is a magnetic element. So this bimetal element under overcurrent condition, only under overcurrent conditions, consists of two metals having different melting points. So if the MCB is allowing a current greater than its capacity, yeah, it's greater than its rated value, the current, this bimetal strip will get overheated and it will bend towards a certain direction, as we can see in this diagram, the second diagram, due to which the trip bar, which is connected to the plunger also to the bimetal and to the contacts, it gets opened at this point. The line gets open to the load. Now the load is connected through the plunger onto the line with the help of these closed contacts. Now these contacts open once this bimetal strip bends and touches this trip bar. So the latch opens and the contacts finally get open. Now this is in case of short circuit. This is in case of overcurrent. But in case of short circuit condition, because there the current is of a high capacity and it requires instantly tripping of the breaker. So here we have got a plunger. Now this plunger will be attracted to this magnetic element. So under short circuit condition, magnetic field poles will be defined and attraction will take place. Due to this attraction, we are seeing in the second diagram, the similar action will take place. Means it is the latch, it will dislocate this latch from the contacts. Under this condition, the contacts will open. MCB is basically a very small circuit breaker, and we can see it in this. This is an MCB, and here it is of 5 amperes rating. It's a small rating. So here we don't have a large value of capacity. MCB is nothing but is the least after fuse. After the fuse, the next uh, level of switchgear is the miniature circuit breaker. Now let me tell you one thing, let's forget about this. This is a latch. Now the trip bar is responsible. It is connected well to the bimetal as well as to the magnetic material. In case of any fault, it will trip and get the contacts. Thank you.